Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your PayPal card reader. First, carefully unbox your new device and ensure all components are present, including the reader and charging cable. It's crucial to fully charge your card reader for at least 4 hours before its initial use to ensure optimal performance. Next, download the PayPal Zettle app from your device's app store. This app is essential for processing payments. Now, let's connect your card reader. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone or tablet. Then, open the PayPal Zettle app and log into your account. Navigate to the settings menu within the app, usually found under card readers. Select your specific reader from the list of available devices to initiate the pairing process. A successful connection will be confirmed by an in-app message and a light indicator on the reader. With your reader connected, you're ready to process your first payment. In the PayPal Zettle app, enter the sale amount or select the items your customer is purchasing. Instruct your customer to tap, insert, or swipe their credit or debit card on the reader. The app will then display the transaction details for your review. Confirm the sale, and the payment will be processed securely, usually within a few seconds. To ensure smooth and reliable operation, here are a few helpful tips. Always keep your PayPal card reader charged, especially before busy periods, to avoid interruptions. Regularly update the PayPal Zettle app and your mobile device's operating system for the best performance and security features. Finally, always maintain a strong and stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, when processing payments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.